All right, everybody, this is how you set up your Tesla charger for 277 volt. Here we have a panel. This is our incoming 480 277 panel. This right here goes to our 120 240, or sorry, 120 208 transformer, which is already loaded up because of the air conditioning and a couple space heaters and other items. So we decided to go with the 277 setup, which works on all Model S's and Model 3s and X's. The only issue is with the Model S and X, it has to be very, very close to 277. It can't go much over, whereas the Model 3s can go much higher, up to I think 288, something like that. Anyways, so it's just one single leg going in with a 60 amp breaker here. I wired over, these are existing wires from the previous tenant, so I just declared that the brown was now white and has ground down there. So of the 4 wires that originally went up here, we took and made the brown white, and orange is a 277 leg, and the green is ground. And we came over here with a conduit, ran it down to the plug, and as you can see, there's the 3 that go into the plug that came with the Tesla charger. We had to buy this used, and this is also has to be a second generation Tesla charger, the high powered wall charger, HPWC. And here's the inside of the generation 2 HPWC charger. It will not work on the newest generation 3, and I don't know if it works on generation 1, but this is what we had to get. I had to get this on eBay. So as you can see, the dip switches are full up. The rotary switch right there is at should be at 8, not 9. And the bottom wires, these the red is going to be your neutral, the black is your hot, the 277 incoming. So 277 incoming, that is your neutral. The red here, you don't need to mess with this, you just adjust this at the plug, and then ground is ground right there. There's the instructions right there. You want to set them both positions up on the dip switch, and then as you can see, 9, which is what normally you could use, is 48 amps. You go to 8, which is 40, and this thing likes it. And then you get the higher voltage, so it ends up being pretty close and pretty similar in terms of charging. I think we're getting 35 or 37 miles per, or no, 35 miles per hour of charging on this setup right now on a 2018 Tesla Model S. All right, good luck.